Here we have someone with long waist length hair, and bam, she decided to shave it all off with the buzz cut trend. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have the stylist mixing in some color. A little bit of a cut here with the ends. Wow, nice, chic, effortless hair change. Brilliantly done. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will, of course, stay up to date on all the latest and hottest hair trends. So it looks like she decided to go with this really pretty pink. Love the color combo for that with the pink and blonde. Very nice. And it's so subtle too. And then we have a bit of a trim here. Oh, and the hair is turned into a pixie. Wow. Beautiful asymmetrical shape. Love the texture. Very nice. Way more than a trim. And then we move on to someone who has long, dark hair. The stylist adds in some color. Look at all that foil. So it looks like she's going lighter and brighter for this hair change. There's the before, and wow, beautiful blonde makeover. Absolutely incredible. Such pretty face framing highlights as well. Very nicely done. So here we have someone getting some color. A little bit of a trim. Very nice. She's like a feathered pixie haircut. Perfect in-between style of a pixie and a bob. I love the flipped out texture, shape. Beautiful. And then here we have a pixie cut. Bit of a pixie bob. Wow, the stylist is doing an incredible amount of volume, especially in the back. A lot of lift and texture to this. Wow, what an amazing Pixie Bob style. She looks absolutely gorgeous. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.